Top 5 Power Tools Every Homeowner Should Own. Whether you're fixing a loose cabinet or tackling a weekend DIY project, having the right power tools makes all the difference. Here are the top 5 power tools every homeowner should own, even if you're not a professional. 1. Cordless drill/driver. This is the most essential power tool for any home. From assembling furniture to hanging shelves, a good cordless drill handles screws and drilling with ease. Choose one with multiple torque settings and a second battery for convenience. Among the recommended choices are Bosch Cordless Drill/Driver GSR18V60C Professional and the Dongqing Cordless Brushless Driver Drill DCJZ2050 Type DM/EM/C. 2. Circular saw. Need to cut plywood, 2x4s, or even flooring? A circular saw is the go-to tool for straight, fast cuts. It's more versatile than you think, and perfect for basic carpentry or remodeling tasks. Some reliable models are Bosch Cordless Circular Saw GKS18V57 Professional and the DeWalt Compact Circular Saw DWE560BB5. 3. Orbital Sander. Whether you're refinishing furniture or smoothing out rough edges, an orbital sander gives you a clean, professional finish. It's faster and more consistent than sanding by hand, and easier on your arms. Preferred models include the DeWalt Sheet Orbital Palm Sander 220V DWE6411B5 and the Bosch GSS 280 Avenue Professional Orbital Sander. For jigsaw. The jigsaw is perfect for curved or detailed cuts in wood, plastic, and even light metal. If you're cutting out shapes or working on crafts, no other tool gives you this level of control. Suitable models are the Bosch GST 135 BCE Jigsaw and the Bosch Cordless Jigsaw GST18 VLI. 5. Impact Driver. Once you try an impact driver, you'll never go back to using just a drill. It delivers more torque with less wrist strain, making it ideal for heavy-duty screws, lag bolts, and deck projects. Notable options include the Dongqing Cordless Brushless Impact Driver DCPL04-8 and the Bosch Cordless Impact Driver GSB18V85C Professional. Final tip: you don't need a massive collection to be prepared. With these 5 tools, you can handle 90% of common home repairs and DIY projects with confidence. If you're seeing this video for the first time, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever a new video drops. For more information on power tools, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.